Let us now try understanding the difference between stateless application and stateful applications. Stateless applications are applications that never keeps any information from one request to use it in the next request. Okay, each request is handled independently, and any new request processing does not rely on the data of the previous request response or previous transactions. Okay, for example, what you can see a example of candy vending machine. Okay, and what you can see, you put the money, you press the button, you get the candy, and that completes the one transaction. And if you want more candy, you put the money, you press the button, you get the candy. To serve you the candy second time, it does not rely on the data which they acquired, or which they do not need to store, use the data from the previous request. So that is what the stateless application, which doesn't maintain any of your data to serve a new request. Okay. Another example is a weather APIs, a website providing weather APIs. Okay, so what we do, we we directly go to one of the website who provides the weather information, and let us see here. It is showing the weather of Kolkata. What we do, I will search for Delhi. Now it is giving the weather of Delhi. I will search for Bangalore weather. It is okay. It will give you the weather of Bangalore. Now, the thing is, like, to provide the weather of Bangalore here, it does not rely on what I had searched before. Okay, previously I have searched for Kolkata, I have searched for Delhi. To serve any new request, it does not rely on the what I have searched before. So it means there is no continuation between these transactions. Okay, they are completely independent transactions. So such applications are called stateless applications. Okay, so to serve any of my requests, no user information is stored, no session information is stored, and every request is served independently without storing any data. Now we try understanding what is the stateful application. In contrast, stateful applications are applications where information from one request to use, like applications that retains the information from one request to use it in the processing of next request. Okay, each request may rely on the data what they acquired in the previous request. Okay, so every request response is a same, it's a part of same session. Okay, so such kind of application what we call a stateful application. Okay, one of the example is video conferencing application, where it is not just like a request and response. What happens in a video conference is one user who hosts a conference meeting and other user join using an invite link. Then the backend application maintains the details of the meeting so that it can serve multiple user coming, going, joining, unjoining, mute, unmute, and several things. And that is the kind of application what we call as a stateful application. And another example is a gaming app we have. Okay, so what I do, let's go to one of the online gaming platform, and we'll see how it is maintaining the session. Okay, let me go here. I will play this app. Okay, what is happening in the background, my session got created now because I have got some 30 bullets to use. I have got some bank strength stats. I have got some timer started here, some cash balance. All these things are stored, and my every action changes this value. For example, let me hit this person, and you can see my bullet count is getting reduced. So how it is getting reduced? Because this session, because the application who is where I'm playing this game, they are storing my previous data. I'm moving from this location to this location, so this information is stored. My bank balance information is stored, my timer, and all the information is stored stored. So these are the kind of application what we call as a stateful application. So stateless applications are the one that doesn't store any of the user data, because it's like a single transaction. You send a request, you got the response. A stateful application, it's like a continuous session. Okay, where every request, every new request, every request have some relation with the data what the server acquired in the previous requests. Okay, yeah, this is about stateful application and stateless application. Hope you understood this. Okay, then now